Hey everyone, it's Emily with Elephant Shoe Corner. Today I'm making a Halloween card. I'm going to be inking up just a strip across my card. So I'm taping off the section that I want. I want to start about 1 inch down, so I've used my iCraft purple tape to tape off the top section. And I used my second strip 1.5 inches down. I'm using Tim Holtz Distress Oxide Rusty Hinge. And I'm going to be using my blending brush. It's just one that I got off of Amazon. And I'm starting off the cardstock and gradually bringing the ink onto my cardstock. I want it to look well blended and smooth, so I want to start off of the cardstock and bring the ink on. I'm going for an ombre look, so I want the edge to be darker and I want it to go lighter. So I'm going to use the Rusty Hinge color first and take it to the center of the card. And then when I'm done with that, I'll move on to my second color. So I'm using a lot of ink towards the edge and making it lighter as I go across the page. And you can make it as dark or as light as you want. And now I have it where I like it. I'm going to clean off my brush. And I'm going to pick up my Distress Oxide Spiced Marmalade. I'm going to ink up my brush. And I don't want it to start the color so thick in the middle, so I'm going to tap a little bit of that color off on my glass mat. Because I want a gradual look, so I want it to blend nicely in the middle. And again, I want the ombre look, so I want most of the color in the middle, and then I'm going to gradually move to the edge of the card. And I just go over it again to make sure it's well blended all the way across. Once I have that how I like it, I'm going to check to make sure my cute little bat fits nicely. And there he is. And that bat is from Fun Stamper's Journey Hey Boo stamp set. I stamped him with black licorice ink. And now I'm removing my tape to reveal my nice clean lines. I'm going to go ahead and move that out of the way and clean up my workspace. So I just spritz some water and use my microfiber cloth to clean up my glass mat. This is the same cloth that I use to clean off my blending brushes when I'm done with them before I switch colors. Then I'm going to go back to Rusty Hinge. I'm going to stamp my sentiment. It says Boo. Again, this is from the Hey Boo stamp set as well. And then I have this little pumpkin from that same stamp set. I want the same look that I have for the blending across the card. So I'm going to start on the top with Spiced Marmalade. And then on the bottom, I'm going to put the Rusty Hinge. Then I'm going to take my blending brush. I'm going to put a little bit of the Rusty Hinge on there, and then I'm going to dab it across the center to get that blended look that I'm looking for. I'm going to go ahead and stamp that on my cardstock. And there we go. And I'm going to go ahead and tape up the back of my bat with my Advanced Tape Glider. And put them right across that blending that we did. And I'm going to tape up the back of my white panel. And I'm going to attach that to my card base. It's Fun Stamper's Journey Citrus Cooler cardstock. And then I'm going to stamp the back with my elephant shoe corner stamp. And there we go. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you liked it. Please follow on Instagram and go to YouTube and subscribe. You can find links to these products in my YouTube description and on my blog. Thank you.